Hello viewers, welcome back to my video. In this today's live video, I am going to show you the live market performance of our running version 8.1. And for that, I open this chart HDFC future, and the time frame I set it is 5 minutes. For intraday wise, I set the time frame 5 minutes. So I will first explain how we can follow a signal after checking the confirmation. Means after checking the confirmation, how we can take a signal. So right now it's a live market, and you can see the current market rate is on above dashboard. You can see the real-time market value 1368.40. that is the real-time market value of HDFC, and this is our running version 8.1. and you can see this green up arrow, this green up arrow is the buy signal and the red one is the sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generate a buy or sell signal, the same time there is a alert message will display on your screen with the sound effect. This alert message will come with the sound effect. In this alert message, you will get the entry point, at what level you have to buy, and if it is sell signal, at what level you have to sell. It contains the exact entry point. But as you know that software gives signals, automatic signals, but we don't need to take all the signal. First we have to check the confirmation of the signal. If the signal is confirmed, then only we can take the position. For checking the confirmation is very easy and simple. I will show you how to pick the confirm signal. So right now you can see this white vertical line, that is a daybreak line. So today's market start from here. So today, yesterday's buy signal continue. After that we got a sell signal. And last there is we got only two signals. First was the sell signal, and the second one is continue. So we can take this last buy signal. If it is buy signal, first you have to wait for the arrow to come. Once the arrow is there, you are first, before taking the position, you have to check the confirmation. If it is buy signal, the first confirmation on below, you can see the price. The price should be in buy zone. If it is buy signal, then the price should be in buy zone. And the second confirmation on below the arrow, you can see there is a bar is there. That is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. Means if it is a buy signal, then the bar should be in green color. So you have to check only two confirmation. First arrow will come. If it is buy signal, then price should be in buy zone, and on below the arrow you can see there's a bar. The bar should be in, that is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in green color. So it's very easy to follow. Only two. You have to check only two confirmation. You have to check only two confirmation. The arrow will come. As per the arrow, you have to check the confirmation. If it is buy signal, then price buy zone and the bar confirmation. Vice versa. If it is sell signal, you have to wait for if it is sell arrow. You can see. In the morning we got a sell signal, but it's not a confirmed signal, because on below that signal it was a green color. If it is sell signal, the bar should be red color. So that's a fake signal. Likewise, you can detect the fake signal also. So following this software is very simple. There is no predictions. We are all working with real time data. So we have to wait for it's all automatic. You have to only check the confirmation of the signal. If the software generates a signal, you just check the confirmation. If the signal confirmation is there, then you can directly take the position. It's very easy. And if it is once you enter in the market, now on below you can see the stop loss will display here, and it's a trailing stop loss. On the left side of the stop loss you can see target 1, target 2 and target. There are 3 targets. So for example, if the market is trendy market, then the signal will continue after hitting our target. That time software gives a re-entry option. Re-entry means software gives a new entry point and a new target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. And you can see these red stars are here, and on below you can see blue stars are here. These red stars are the resistance level of the market, and on below you can see the blue star, that is a support level of the market. Right now you can see the candle breaks the resistance level, and that's why it's going up. If the candle breaks the resistance level, then market will go up, and if it will break the support level, market will go down. And the same strategy, right now I'm giving a live for HDFC Bank. Like same strategy you can apply for all segment, like our software covers all major financial market like MCX, NSE cash, future options currencies, agri, COMEX and forex currencies, including foreign currency and Indian currency, and it's all working with the real-time data. There is no delay in the data. It's real-time tick by tick data, and you can use it for intraday trade. Right now it's intraday wise. I've set the time frame 5 minutes. You can use it for scalping trading, intraday trading, long time and short time position trading. Our software support all type of trading. And so first you have, as I told, first you have to wait for the arrow to come. As per the arrow, you have to check the confirmation. Our parameters, the confirmation parameters are okay. Then you can directly take the position in your whatever trading platform you are using. We can take the position in your trading platform. And below the stop loss and target will display. And if it is sideways market, you will get the indication. So normal candlesticks, candle colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors, you can see some different colors, multi-colors are forming like orange colors, light blue, empty candles, white candles are there. So these are the indication of sideways. If the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of this candle. So this all comes with the it's full features are there. Whenever software generates buy or sell signal, the same time the alert will come, and if the target achieved, then software gives indication through alert message. And if there is a sudden trend reversal there, then that time also software gives indication. And range bound indicators are there. You can check sideways. If the sideways market is going sideways, then software gives indication. And it's all working with real time data, and following the software is very easy and simple. And will give a training session also. Means if I am giving a live demo, if you are interested to purchase a software, you can check the live demo. You can contact me. My number is displayed on the below, and you can contact me through my number. You can call or WhatsApp the same number. I have WhatsApp also, official number, and you can call or WhatsApp. And our website details is www.wintradersoft.com. In that website there is a reviews pages there. You just you can check the reviews page also. That is our original reviews by our customers. And as I told, I am giving a live demo. If you are interested to check the live demo, you can contact me. You can contact me through call or WhatsApp. You can check the live demo in any segment like MCX, NSE, FOREX, COMEX, Agri. You can check a live demo in any segment. You just contact me. And thank you for watching my video.